Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's ShirleyBoy27. Now today we are doing another review, but this is going to be a review on the Dairy Queen Cake Shake ice cream. Well, shake. And these shakes, we got a strawberry and a chocolate. Now, Ange, you want to say what's in them?
Okay, the chocolate. Well, the chocolate one is a chocolate shake with chocolate cake and chocolate pieces and chocolate shaving, I guess. And then the strawberry is vanilla with strawberries and yellow cake. So let's try.
How does it taste?
Like a chocolate shake. It's a little thin. Usually they're a little bit thicker. But I'm not sure.
Huh. That's weird. Because I'm not used to, like, when I'm drinking shake, you have that, like, kind of like breading.
It's kind of nice.
I like it, though.
I wish we had a spoon.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm surprised they didn't give us a spoon also.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's this one? This one's a lot thicker.
It's a little bit thicker, yes. Alright.
Alright.
Let's go with the chocolate first.
Alright. They might have to have one more sip.
Okay.
You go ahead first.
Chocolate was a little thin. I tasted a little bit of the cake, not much. I wish it was a little bit thicker. As a chocolate shake, would I pay extra to put some cake in it? I don't think so. This is like an average shake, a little bit average chocolate shake. So I go 6 for an average chocolate shake.
All right.
How about you?
Well, I like the breading taste, but I'm not really like completely sure about it. But the shake was pretty good. So,
see, I think it would have been better if it was a little bit. See how watery it is? It drips, and see how the strawberry one. Look, it just holds it. You know, I wish it was that consistency.
Yeah, I'll go with 6 on it.
6 on a chocolate. And you're a chocoholic too.
Yeah,
you're a chocolate shake dude.
Yeah, I love.
Maybe a little bit more chocolate in it would have done a little justice.
Yeah. But yeah.
Okay.
I'd get that again.
You would?
Yeah.
The strawberry one. I like the strawberry one. I like strawberry. I like strawberry shakes. I like strawberry sundaes. I like strawberry shortcake. I like strawberry ice cream.
You're a strawberry-aholic.
Yeah. If that's my preferred ice cream when possible. So I go 7 on the strawberry shortcake. It was thicker. It had a little bit more taste. I would have liked a little bit more strawberry in it, but I won't dock any points for that.
Yeah, you do get more flavor in the strawberry one. I give you that.
Yeah, and I like Dairy Queen strawberry.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
It's a little, it's a little tangy. It's a little sweet. It's not like totally like syrupy.
Yeah.
Syrupy. It's got a little tanginess. So, okay. How about you?
I'll go 7 on it. I'll go 7.
You go 7?
I like the strawberry in it, but I also really like chocolate.
Would you get the strawberry one again or no?
Yeah, I definitely get that strawberry one again.
Would you?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're pretty good.
I would get the strawberry one.
Would you get the chocolate one again?
No.
You don't like the chocolate one?
If I have the choice between chocolate and strawberry, I'm going to get strawberry most of the time. Sometimes I have a taste for chocolate. You know what I like in chocolate? Is Wendy's Frosties. Don't you? Do you ever like Wendy's Frosties?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Yeah. And we're just talking fast food stuff. Ice cream, I guess, is fast food, but we're just talking like McDonald's and Burger King and Dairy Queen and Wendy's and stuff. McDonald's chocolate shake is decent too.
Yeah, McDonald's.
I don't like their strawberry shake because it tastes like it's got chemicals in it or something. It's like fake strawberry. I wish McDonald's had this flavor for their strawberry shakes because I would get them. I would get that.
A lot
Not
more.
yeah. I don't need a lot of shakes. If I have a taste for ice cream, I usually just get ice cream. I'm not a shake. I don't like. I usually don't drink shakes and stuff like that. But anyway, all right. Thanks a lot, guys. Nice
Right.
seeing you again.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching in on this amazing ice cream review from Dairy Queen.
It's not that amazing.
Well, it's amazing to us and our subscribers. So, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a good day.